6-minute maths, and in this session we're going to look at a non-calculator paper at entry level 3 for functional skills. It will take us longer than 6 minutes, this one. We're only looking at 6 minutes when we're doing revision of a particular topic, but this is a full paper. It's a non-calculator paper at entry level 3. So without further ado, let's have a look at the paper and see what we've got. Right, okay. There's the front cover of the paper. 25 minutes, normally 4 or 5 questions. The pass mark for the paper is the total marks for the paper is 9, and the pass mark is usually 60%. Okay, question 1. Brett is planning to see a football match. He saves £85 for each month for the trip, and he'll save for 4 months. How much will he save? Well, we can do this a number of ways. Some people, I'll just get my pen. Yeah, we're good. Some people will save, will add up the money. So I'll do 85, maybe twice. 5 and 5 is 10. Add the 1. 8 and 8 is 16, and 1 is 17. So that's for 2 lots. If I do 4 lots, that's another 170, which comes to 0. 7 and 7 is 14. The 1 and the 1 and the 1 is £340. You know, there's a number of different ways for each question, and I'm not saying my ways are the most ideal. They're the ones I feel are more suitable. Some people will have different ways in which they want to answer, and that's perfectly fine. The other way you might want to answer this is £85 doing a multiply. 85 times 4, 5 times 4 is 20. Carry the 2. 4 times 8, well, 2 8s are 16, 4 8s are 32. Add the 2 back in, makes £340. So there's 2 ways in which you could answer that question. Just make sure you put your answer in the box. It has got the pound sign showing on the box, so we're okay there. £340. Next question. So, Brett chooses a hotel for his trip. The Style Hotel and the Fair Hotel. The Style Hotel is 450 metres from the stadium. I'm just going to put an ST for the stadium in the middle. And the Style is 450 metres. And the Fair Hotel is 1 kilometre away from the stadium, or 1,000 metres. So the question is, Brett says the Style Hotel is 650 metres nearer to the stadium than the Fair Hotel. So to work that out, to complete that calculation, what we'll need to do is we'll need to take 1,000, take away 450, and the difference is 550. So it's not 650 metres, it's 550. So is he correct? No, he's not correct. The distance is 550 and not 650 metres. I always try and make it as clear as possible with my answers, so that the examiner can mark it with confidence and know that you've answered it correctly. No area for doubt there, and then that's good. These are the amounts Brett will spend on his trip. So his travel costs are £169, and his hotel costs are £108. Calculate the total of these amounts. So we've got 9 and 8, which is 17. Carry the 1. The 6 and the 1 comes to 7, and then we've got 2 1. So his cost for his trip is going to be £277. Just scroll down the page. Yeah, there we go. Little space to put my answer, just to be very clear. 277, no pence. Okay. Next question. And the last question. So this one looks a bit trickier. It's 3 marks, so it's a third of the marks for the paper. So what have we got? We've got Brett works for a printing company. He prints documents for a customer. Each document takes 8 sheets of paper. Brett has 500 sheets of paper. How many documents can he complete and how many are left over? Okay, so I need to do a division here. So 500 divided by 8 sheets of paper. And when I'm doing a division, I sometimes, to help myself with my multipliers, I'll write the times table down the side. So I've got 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64. I think that'll be enough. 8 into 5 won't go. 8 into 50. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 8s are 48. So that's the nearest. So it'll go in 6 times. And then there's 2 left over. So now I'm looking at 8 into 20. And 16 will go in twice. So that's 2. And there's 4 remainder 4. So that's telling me that you can make 62 documents and there's 4 left over. But I think I'm going to just check that one stage further. I'm going to do 62. I'm going to multiply it by 8, just to be sure. So 8 times 2 is 16. Carry the 1. 6 8s, well, I've got this here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 8s are 48. Add that 1 back in, that makes 496. So yeah, 496. 500 take away 496 leaves us with 4. So is there a box to put my answer in? Yes, there is. How many complete documents can he make? He can make 62. And there will be 4 sheets left over. And that's it. Thanks for watching.